The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add a floor to your cabin, okay? So, following right along, right after roof and ceilings is floor. Now, floor also has a little drop down arrow under the tool. These are the different types of floors you can use. You can have an architectural floor, a structural floor, or a floor by face. Now, us as designers, 90% of the time, actually 100% of the time, we're gonna use architectural floors, okay? We should never use structural floors unless you work for a structural firm, because those structural floors are used to calculate analysis, and they have special attributes with that floor that'll print on our drawings if we don't know how to manage them, okay? So in our case, you're always gonna use architectural floors, okay? So activate the command, step 1. Step 2, how are we gonna draw this footprint? Well, it's up to you. You can use line, okay? Next, same step, make sure we select the type of floor we're using. Now, these are the default floors that come with the program, but most of these are either A, commercial, a generic one, or B, for houses that have crawl space. That might work for a cabin, but let's say our cabin's gonna have slab on grade, to be more specific. In other words, we're gonna dig trenches, we're gonna put rebar, well, we're gonna put weather paper, rebars, and then pour the concrete, and then build our house, okay? So in that case, we're gonna have to make our own, okay? We have to make our own type of floor. So what we're gonna do, same process as before, just like with a window, edit type, duplicate, and we're gonna give it a name. The name I'm gonna use is 6-inch concrete slab, and then I'll put on grade, just like grade. So Maya grades your assignments, just like that, grade. All right, 6-inch concrete slab on grade. We're gonna hit OK. After you name it, hit OK. Now here, notice there's no height or width to change. This one's a little bit different. This one, we have to change the structure. See that edit right next to the word structure? Click on that button. Click on the edit button right here. Okay. Now this is how this floor is made up. Okay. Right now it says it's a 1 foot thickness. Well, I'm gonna change that. Let's click in there. What did I tell you? It's in the name. 6-inch. 0 space 6. Hit enter. The next thing you want to look at is your material right here. It says by category. Click in there, and when you click, notice the 3 little dots inside the box on the right hand side. Press that icon right there. That is going to open your materials browser, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Material browser. Okay. Now here on the line, you're just going to type CON. That's it. We don't need to type the whole word. It's automatically going to go find all the terms that start with CON, or all the materials. We're going to select cast in place concrete. In other words, they're going to pour it there on the job site. That's the one we want. Click on it. Hit, oh, actually, no. All right. Here, where you see foreground, you see this, it says sand. Let's put none. Scroll up and just hit none. Hit OK. All right, there you go, none. And then OK again. And then OK again. And then OK again. All right, we're back to drawing. Back to where we're supposed to be. And then you're just gonna click. Click. You're gonna trace what has to have a floor. Cancel twice. Escape twice or cancel twice or click on the modify button, whichever, just to escape the command. Once you see your footprint completely traced with this pink line, hit the green check. There you go. We have a floor. If we go to our 3D view, well now, not only do we have a roof to stop the elements, but now we have a floor. We can't fall off the ground.